Samsung, the leading brand in mainstream foldable phones, is set to release its highly anticipated device, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. Get ready for an extraordinary compact smartphone experience. While the Galaxy Z Flip 4 impressed tech enthusiasts, it did fall short in some areas like battery life, camera quality, and the tiny cover screen. But fear not, Samsung is ready to rectify these issues with the Galaxy Z Flip 5. According to rumors, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 will feature a nearly identical clamshell design as its predecessor, but with a revolutionary new hinge. This innovative design aims to minimize the visibility of the crease on the display, ensuring a seamless experience. Say goodbye to the tiny 1.9-inch cover screen of the Flip 4. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 is rumored to boast a much larger 3.4-inch display on the outside. This upgrade provides a more useful and immersive experience, allowing you to stay connected at a glance. Under the hood, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 will come equipped with a powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, offering enhanced performance and improved power efficiency. With 8 GB of RAM and storage options of up to 256 GB, this device ensures a smooth and efficient user experience. Capture stunning moments with the Galaxy Z Flip 5's improved camera system. Leaks suggest it will feature a pair of 12-megapixel rear cameras with larger sensors, enabling better low-light photography and exceptional image quality. Experience all-day usage without worrying about battery life. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 is expected to deliver better endurance with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip, which offers excellent power efficiency. Get ready for the grand unveiling of the Galaxy Z Flip 5. Samsung has announced its next Unpacked event in late July, taking place in Seoul, South Korea. Stay tuned for exciting announcements and surprises. With a rumored price starting at $999, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 is set to revolutionize the foldable smartphone market. Prepare for a new level of convenience, style, and innovation. Don't miss out on this incredible device. Samsung, pushing boundaries, redefining the future.